I am going to review the best label printer in the market for this year.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
At number 1, we have the DYMO LM160 Label Maker. This is a monochrome printer that operates on thermal printing technology. There is an automatic switch-off function that helps increase the battery life of the printer during use. The printer offers users the option to fully customize their labels using any one of the 200+ clip arts or symbols and over 20 text formatting options. The printer is lightweight and compact, making it suitable for anyone moving around. It has a QWERTY keyboard to improve typing speeds through a familiar environment. To get the most out of this label maker, it is recommended users print only authentic labels from the printer manufacturer. At number 2, we have the Brother P-Touch PTD210 Label Maker. This label maker comes with over 600 symbols, 14 fonts, 97 frames, and 10 unique styles for users to pick from in creating a customized label. There is an option to power the label maker using 6 AAA batteries or purchase an AC power adapter to use the printer while plugged in. A protective case is available at an additional price on the market for portability and easy storage. The printer has a QWERTY keyboard with a wider span for comfortable typing by users. At number 3, we have the ROLLO label printer. This printer is easy to use and has an automatic label identification feature that users can trigger with the push of a button. This will identify the various characteristics of a label and the size. To remain cost-effective, this printer functions on any thermal printer on the market, eliminating the need for purchasing specific labels at higher costs. The printer's design makes it rugged and portable with a print speed of up to 238 labels per minute for 4-row labels. There is no need for a toner or ink to get a high-quality print output from this printer as a thermal printer. At number 4, we have the Brother P-Touch PTH110 Label Printer. This printer uses the Brother P-Touch TZE tape, which is designed for durability through lamination. It has a split back to make it easy to apply to surfaces. The printer has a menu screen with 10 pre-designed decorative labels, along with over 250 symbols, 3 fonts, 5 patterns, and 14 frames. The manufacturer's specialty tapes include fabric iron-on tape, flexible cable tape, and extra strength adhesive tape, so it is crucial to find out what tape is the best for your needs. At number 5, we have the DYMO LetraTag LT100T Label Printer. This label printer is useful for printing on various types of labels, including paper labels, plastic labels, iron-on labels, and colored metallic labels. The printer package includes a 1/2-inch clear plastic label cassette and a 1/2-inch white paper label cassette to get you started. The printer has 9 label memory and navigation buttons in addition to the QWERTY keyboard to give users easy access to other functions. It runs on 4 AA batteries, which are not included in the package, and the automatic power-off function helps in extending the life of these batteries. At number 6, we have the Brother QL700 Label Printer. This printer has an automatic cutter, which is essential for making precision cuts when printing labels. Easy peel, rounded corner labels, pre-sized labels, and continuous length labels are possible when using this printer. Since there is no need for toner or ink, the use of this printer is convenient. This enables the use of easy drop-in tape rolls with no ribbon to replace during use. The plug and label design allows this printer to function without users having to install any software.
Halfway of our list. I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.